Walk in Central Park, you guys. Let's do it. Blue Jay starting us off super duper strong. Wow, so pretty. House sparrows. Look at those hops. There's a black-capped chickadee in that tree. Hooded mergansers, and then a mallard in the back. Actually, a lot of mallards, holy crap. And then the bottom on the far right is a female hooded merganser. There are 3 males on the top of the hooded mergansers. Apparently some feisty mallards, jeez. So cool. 2 more. I love when they turn their head and that hood like shakes. It's so funny to me. They're like all feathers. They're a smaller diving duck. Look at that one. It's like going ultra speed. Oh my god. White-throated sparrow that you can't see their throat because they're bundled. Looping around this like pond. That was a squirrel. And I'm going to show you guys my view. Second tufted titmouse of the season. See that under that like rump? Well, hold on. Morning dove. You see that eye? So beautiful. Look at that mohawk. They're so fast when they're foraging. You see that like what a prize. It's a wood duck. A male, in fact. You'll hear them do that like maybe he'll do it again. Look at that red eye. How green that mallard is. It's so green. Another blue jay. He's like, don't look at me, Buster. I just love this cute little arch thing. Canada geese. Oh, there they go, honking. The city as well. It's a red-tailed hawk. There it is. Look at those feathers. It's preening right now. It's not headless.
What are you watching?
It's... Oh, and he's like, you talking about me? What are you talking about me for, lady? That spotted chest also tells us it's a red-tailed hawk. Cool. Look at those claws. Wow. Probably looking for a pigeon. There's a blue jay doing the call of a red-tailed hawk somewhere up there. So cool. This is Sheep's Meadow. Pretty cool. Pigeons to end our bird walk. Our super fun bird walk finished here in Central Park, New York City. Now I do bird walks here, so y'all are gonna have to check them out if you're ever in the city. But I will see you at the next one. Love you. Bye.